My name is Pamela Jamieson, and I'm a mixed media artist, and I'm going to be covering over some of the supplies in the Yupo Paper class in January. Water, colors, this is acrylic color, dish soap. This is my salt. Now this is just normal table salt, nothing fancy. Plastic wrap, these cheap scrapers that you can get, and an old toothbrush. And if you have at home, you can get these double end fiber pens. They're staplers, they're watercolor, bowl brushes, acrylic markers, brushes, again, nothing fancy, blow dryer, paper towels, crayons, they're watercolor solubles, ordinary crayons, just stuff that's lying around. So there you have it. These are my supplies that I'll be having in my class in January.